Hi guys, welcome back to Ignite India. I'm Bhavna and today in this video we are going to learn perspective. So you guys must be wondering what is perspective. So perspective actually is a way of looking. Maybe you can call it nazariya in Hindi. So let me just give you an example. If you're standing in front of the street and that street is going straight, that means that is 1 point perspective. 1 point perspective converges at a single point. Now if you're standing at the corner of a house, that house would be 2 point perspective. That means two guidelines would be coming to you if you're talking in the context of drawing. Now if you're standing on a bridge and looking at the street, that would be 3 point perspective. That means the height, length and the breadth, 3 lines would have the guidelines and 3 points would be there. So now in this video I'm just concentrating on 1 point perspective and let's just learn what 1 point perspective is. 1 point perspective is a kind of perspective where all the lines converge at 1 point. Let's just begin with a point and then let's just diverge many lines from it. So this is how a 1 point perspective looks like. Just the way of seeing should be converging into 1 point. Now, for example, I want to draw a block in 1 point perspective. How do we start it? Let's draw the width and the length of the block. This is my block. Now we want to converge it at 1 point. How do we do it? Let's make a point here, maybe. So converge all the edges towards this. This may be our block. Maybe it's coming from a converging point. But what if we want to make it shorter? To make it shorter, I will create this length here, which will be straight. Remember this, in 1 point perspective, the length and breadth is always straight. This is our 1 point perspective box. Let's give it another example by drawing a block here. I want to make a block below my eye level. Remember this point we are looking at is our eye level. I am creating a line here so that you should remember that this is our eye level. All the points which are above this line would be above our eye level and all the points below this would be below our eye level. So let's just draw a block below our eye level. Call it a building maybe. So this is my length and breadth of my block. So where would the third line would go? The third line would always converge at 1 point. So this will be not visible to us. So let's just draw it here. But anyway, the upper surface would cover these lines, so we don't need to draw this. Now this line, we'll draw it here. So this is our block, which is below our eye level. Maybe you're standing at a bridge and you're looking at a box. What if I want to convert this box into a bus? So I will just give the design of a bus. Got it? Now what if I want to draw a box above the eye level? Maybe here. So I want to draw my length and breadth, and now I will converge the third line to the converging point, that is my eye level. So here in this box, this line would go here and this line would go here. Maybe you want to increase the height, so you can draw this here like this. So what is the difference between the box which is created above the eye level and below the eye level? So let me tell you the difference. In this box, we can only see the surface which is below. The above surface is not seen. And unlike this box, here we can see only the above surface, which is the top surface, and not the below surface. So this can be a bus, a train, only if you are looking at it from the top height. Now let's make a room. To make a room, what I'm going to do is just make a frame. I've made a frame here. And now what I'm going to do is I'll keep my eye level at the middle point. So this is my eye level. Let's make a very light line here. This is my horizon. So what are we going to do now is let's think that this point, that this line and this line are my walls which are side to side. And the wall which will be in front of me would be here. This would be the ceiling and this would be the floor. Now let's see how we're going to do it. I'm drawing a line, a very light line from this point to this point. Again a very light line from this point to this point. All lines are diverging from a single point. Now what I'm going to do is I want this wall to be my side wall and this wall to be again my side wall. So I'll just decide the length, which will be, I want my side wall till here. So let's just draw a line. And again now we need to match both the lines, like both the side walls should be of the equal length and breadth. So what I'm going to do is taking this line and again taking this line and just drawing line. So this would become my wall, the wall which I'm going to see in front of me. This line is nothing, these are just the guidelines. We are just think that we are seeing this line, this line. Let me just darken the line so that you can get the idea. So this is what we are seeing right now, a room. It's a room. So now what are we going to do is we'll just make little things in it, like fan or maybe. So I'm drawing a line. As I've told you, all the lines, vertical lines, would be vertical. And this is a 2D thing, so we don't need to focus much. So this line would be like this. You see, maybe this could be a window. So for window, if window becomes a 2D window, now what are we going to do? So we're going to create a straight line. Again a straight line. This line would not be seen. And again we are going to draw this guideline. And this would be straight, as I've told you. See, this became our window. Now, the second thing which I'm going to do is make a sofa. So this would become our sofa, like a very basic sofa. Now what if we want to make a table? So our table would be like this. We're going to create 4 stands. Like this. Now what if we want to make a fan? So this is how a room works, and now I'm going to teach you, and now I'm going to tell you 2-point perspective in the next video. Till then,